Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about Madison Reed's The Great Cover Up Root Touch Up and Brow Filler. I've been using this product for a really long time and I really love it. I like it for covering my grays, but I actually like it more for my eyebrows. I did my left brow already, but I'm going to do the right eyebrow live. So in here it comes with one brush that you can use for your hair, so you can kind of just touch up the roots like this with the grays. But as I mentioned, I actually like it more for my eyebrows. So it comes with this great applicator. One side is slanted and one side has like the brush that you can smooth it out with. So I just put a little bit on and I fill in that eyebrow a little bit at a time. Go right to the edge there and through. And then I blend with the spoolie side. And I really think it makes a big difference, kind of as a finishing touch to your makeup. They say that the eyebrows are the center of your face. So it's really important to have nice, groomed eyebrows. So, and then sometimes I'll even put a little makeup just on it to kind of fix it, but that's kind of how it looks after. And then one other thing that I like is kind of interchangeables. This is another product, the Luxfume hairline powder. And when the powder runs out inside, I like to actually use this even more so interchangeably. I'll use this as my applicator, rub it right on here, and any grays, it just applies. You can put a nice amount of pressure. It's so much easier application. And I go through this so fast just because of how I use it interchangeably with everything. So highly recommend this, highly recommend that, and together they'll both be linked in. And I hope you enjoyed that video.